In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Sweat from Sweatcoin to your Bybit wallet. Now open your Bybit app and log in. Go to Assets, then Spot, then Deposit, then search for Sweat. If Bybit supports Sweat in your region, tap it and choose the correct network, usually Near or Ethereum, depending on the listing. You'll see a deposit address and maybe a QR code. Tap Copy to copy this address. Next, open your Sweat Wallet app or the Sweat section inside Sweatcoin. Go to Send/Transfer. Choose Sweat as the token, then paste the Bybit deposit address you copied. Make sure the network matches the one you selected on Bybit. Enter the amount of Sweat you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. After the transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, go back to Bybit to Assets to Spot, and you should see your Sweat balance appear in your wallet, ready to hold or trade. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.